storage and reorganization project I think it's part 5. The shelves arrived today, which was actually much less of a saga than I was anticipating. I was anticipating a saga because of the weather conditions. So we got to get the snowblower back in place and then the generator back in place. And then I'll get the shelves inside. Didn't need this, which I suppose is just as well. Stinking wind. I wish I had been a little bit better prepared for this because I could have had the pallet just delivered right in the garage, which would have spared this activity, but oh well. I don't think that we're going to be able to just slide the pallet, and I think it's going to be too heavy. But I'm going to try because that would save a lot of time. it wasn't for this thing in the way here, it actually would be possible. I can lift it. Nah, it ain't worth the time. I'm not saving myself any time doing that. Only 4 large pieces and a couple small ones. I think I could move it if I really wanted to, but there's no benefit. Okay, everything's inside. I'll just slip this pallet in so it doesn't blow away. Let's close this door. Okay, that was not too bad. So I'm guessing that these have two shelves per unit inside them. We'll have to undo these out here in the garage. We're going to get some really nice pieces of cardboard here, which is nice to have put down when you're working on stuff or what have you. Got at least 4 solid pieces and then 8 of these smaller pieces. That's kind of a nice bonus. Okay, so that's that. Those are our shelves. Here's the poles. And then speaking of bonuses, because the order was so large, there was the option to get some free stuff. A very large packing list here. What the heck? Oh, a catalog. I haven't seen a catalog in a long time. They threw in this blanket for free because the order was so expensive. All right, so the shelves are here. Now I'll have to go inside and start. This is going to be, I think how we're going to do it, it's going to be like an all-encompassing freak show for the next 2 or 3 days as this goes on, because I'm going to have to probably do it one at a time. I'll take 2 of the shelves in there down, then I got to take the wall down and everything, make that mess, clean that mess up, and then construct a new shelf, and then put all the fans on it. And then we can do the second, because I can't do them all at once. There's not going to be enough space in the house to shift things around. All right, this is going to be... It's going to be a little messy, but it's going to come out great, I think.